Get ready, little adventurers, and a powerful secret.
Nerdiness Kidz proudly presents The Cows and the Lions.
Once upon a time, beautiful, sunny forest lived 5 cows. They weren't just neighbors, they were the best of friends.
Every single day, they walked to a large green meadow to eat the sweetest, freshest grass. They decided to do everything together. But danger lurked in the shadows of the trees. A pack of hungry lions lived nearby and wanted nothing more than to catch the cows.
But the cows had a secret weapon. They did everything together. Whenever the lions approached, the 5 friends stood side by side.
Forming a powerful shield, the lions knew they couldn't defeat them all at once, so they stayed away.
But one unhappy day, a silly argument broke out.
Hey, that's my patch of grass. No, I found it first. Find your own.
The argument grew and grew.
Each cow decided to leave the group and eat grass in a completely different place, all by themselves.
The lions watched from the bushes, and they couldn't believe their luck. The cows were no longer protecting each other. Seizing the opportunity, the lions attacked the cows one by one. Because they were alone, the cows could not defend themselves.
Sadly, one by one, they all vanished. When the 5 friends stood together, not even the fiercest lions could hurt them. But when they divided, they lost their strength.
Remember, boys and girls, when we stand together, we are unstoppable.
If you love this adventure, make sure to hit that like button, Nerdiness Kidz, and always stick close to your friends.